Good morning, everyone. I wanted to do a follow-up video on a sod job that we did. I'd say it's been about 5 or 6 months ago. This was a centipede lawn. If you watched that previous video, you know that the lawn was badly damaged by the previous company that was treating it, and we pretty much had to take out all of the grass that was remaining, grade everything out, put down a nice layer of topsoil, and then put down our centipede sod here. But as you can see, when sod is properly installed and properly maintained, it looks really nice. You should have a good lawn the first year. I see a lot of these new developments where they're throwing in sod and they just throw it on the bare soil with no topsoil. They don't give it adequate water, and they don't really take care of it, and you can really see a difference. Those lawns are very thin. The ground is like concrete because it's not getting enough water, and it just takes a lot longer for that grass to get established. You can see here that the first year we have a very nice lawn that looks like it's been here for years. It's very nice and green, nice and thick, very almost zero weeds, and this is what it should look like. The neighbor's actually been working on fixing their lawn. It had damaged by the same company, but you can see it's still got a little ways to go. But so, like I said, it's very important that sod's installed properly and then properly cared for. It makes all the difference in the final product and how your lawn's going to look. I'll also make a short video on some of our other lawns that we've done in the past 6 months too, to show you how they look, the different types of grass like St. Augustine. But thanks for watching. We appreciate any feedback, and if you ever have any questions, or if you're ever interested in having this done to your own lawn, just let us know.